Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. Goans break poll record for assembly election, 82% voting record in the state. Voting increased by 10% compared to last assembly election. Polling receives tremendous response from voters. Voters come out in large numbers. Voting slow due to new poll monitoring systems. Clash between Congress candidate Yatin Parekh and BJP councillor Vaidehi Naik at Masandiyamuri polling booth. Congress camp alleges Vaidehi Naik of canvassing in the polling booth area. Over in sports, PSPB make ground in team standings of Fometo's chess nationals at Miramar. Railways team and Petroleum Board in joint lead after penultimate round. And hockey fans in Goa have mixed feelings after India qualify for Olympics. World Series hockey gains popularity in state. Girls want more hockey tournaments to improve level. And now the news in detail. Goans have polled their record-breaking votes on Saturday. A total of 82% voting has been recorded, 82.8% in North Goa and 80% in South Goa. Voting has increased by 10% as compared to last assembly election. Have a look at the rise in voting percentage constituency-wise.
The total percent of voters turnout is nearly 82%. There is 8.3 lakhs of voters avail the franchise today. North Goa 82.8%, that means nearly 83%. South Goa nearly 80% voters turnout. No, 1 minute. This is the first time in the history of Goa we covered more than 80%. From 84 to 2009, 2007 assembly elections, our voters turnout rate is between 65 to 72% only. By and large, overall, more females came forward to vote today. Highest percentage is Shockley, 88.51. Lowest is Velim, 73.49%.
There were 7 election reported cases with 5 persons arrested in 4 cases.
The election related cases, there are 7 cases reported today.
Okay. Out of them, in 4 cases, 5 persons have been arrested because they were not allowing some voters to vote. So they were blocking some voters.
And other place?
Same. It is an obstruction. Yes. Now, 2 persons were obstructing, and it was reported that both of them were government servants. Both of them, because according to the report of the police, it says that both of them were government servants and they have been arrested. 1 person from Santa Cruz has been suspended.
Our reporter from Panji, Jason Suarez, with video journalist Anil Sanadi. Due to the new poll monitoring system, voting was very slow. The procedure of verification, recording thumb impressions and photograph consumed a lot of time. Though the voting was slow, candidates' field process was overall smooth. See how the candidates reacted to the poll.
सध्या ते प्रोसिजर हा तो बरो व्हडलो प्रोसिजर हा असो दिसता म्हाका कारण टाइम भरपूर लागता भितर.
Voting pattern is good. Looks like there's a lot of enthusiasm amongst the voters.
And दादागिरी election
inside the house in the bedroom.
सगळे हुंजा सोन आखे गोंयचे बाउन्सर आले आनी दादागिरी करप election.
Election is not a fair election.
गोंयान एक बरें सरकार येवचें, बरें राज्य येवचें, सगळे कडेन लोकांचो हें आसा, कल आसा
As far as winning the election is concerned, I have always left my fate to the wishes of Margaonkars.
Competition all under control. We are very confident of winning.
लोकांचो प्रतिसाद जो आहा लोकांनी जो उत्साह दाखयला इलेक्शनाक की म्हाज्या आदल्या खुबश्या इलेक्शना भितर हो एक सारको उमेदीचो
जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता अबावट 60% जावंक जाय 60-65
स्लो चलता हिंग पूण जायत बरा बट बारक्यां बी चड मातशें स्लो चलता म्हूण लोक मातशे बट ऑल गुड
voting percentage and the queues that are there is very clearly indicative of an anti-incumbency feeling.
Situation, I don't find any opposition for me. It's one-sided. But here the problem what happened, this booth, last year also same thing, they make fool of these people. Thinking.
My personal feeling that it will touch around 80. 78, 80 across Goa.
Well, people cannot wait for hours together for voting, and this needs to be, I think Election Commission should see that everybody gets a RFID so that they can go and vote very easily.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.